Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Teero dental staffing app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Teero is a staffing platform designed specifically for dental professionals and practices. The app helps dental hygienists, assistants, and dentists connect with offices that need temporary or permanent staff. Practices can post open shifts, while professionals can browse, apply, and confirm jobs directly through the app. Teero also manages scheduling, payments, and communication, making the hiring process more streamlined and less stressful for both sides. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Teero for its user-friendly design and how quickly it helps professionals find work opportunities. Dental offices appreciate that the app makes it easier to cover last-minute cancellations or short-staffed days. Payments are usually handled securely through the platform, and the real-time updates help both sides stay on track with scheduling. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Availability of jobs depends heavily on your location, so some professionals may find limited opportunities if they live in less populated areas. A few users mention occasional technical glitches or delays in communication. Additionally, while the app simplifies the staffing process, the experience can vary depending on how actively local offices use it. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Teero dental staffing app may be worth using if you're a dental professional looking for flexible work or a practice that needs quick staffing solutions. It excels in convenience, payment handling, and real-time scheduling. However, if you're in an area with fewer dental offices or expect a fully seamless experience without occasional hiccups, it may feel somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.